Want to supercharge your health? Check out these top 5 superfoods you need in your diet. Number 1. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, blueberries boost brain function, support heart health, and can even help fight aging. Number 2. Kale. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, plus it's a great source of fiber and calcium. Kale is perfect for detoxifying and keeping your immune system strong. Number 3. Quinoa. A complete protein, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a great choice for muscle repair and growth. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, and iron. Number 4. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation, supports brain health, and promotes a healthy heart. Plus, it's an excellent source of protein. Number 5. Avocado. This creamy fruit is full of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Avocados help lower bad cholesterol, improve digestion, and keep your skin glowing. Incorporate these superfoods into your meals, and you'll be well on your way to better health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips.